What's up, YouTube? Yes, I'm downstairs in my basement. Plus, it's on my fan. So, yeah, I accidentally pushed something. But, anyways, the reason I'm down here is because my AC is not working so well. I'll show you it. For all you AC techs, there's a leak outside of it. Seriously. It's a trainer system. This is it. It still runs. I wish I could open it to show you guys, but I'm not an AC tech. We had the A coil replaced once because it leaked. But this one is the system. Yep, it's outside the leakers, and we're replacing this old trainer. This is the last thing you'll see our trainer system on video. That's the only time. This is my new hot water heater and softener. This is new. Look, this is the original to the house. It was an old tank hot water heater, and the hot water. This was original either. Also, we have similar to my laundry room. Also, we have this. Ooh, don't tell anyone. We also have a humidifier. Ooh, I don't know what that left bar is. That's kind of suspicious. Yeah, it's all trainer system. I can show you the out back system, but it's kind of dark. I will show you. You can kind of see the old trainer system, and you can kind of see it over there. That's the old trainer system right there that's leaking. I'm gonna go back in before my feet get wet. Out there's the system that's leaking. You can't really see it because it's kind of dark out there. That's why down here, because the system is not doing so hot. Oh, it's trying to say it is doing so hot because it's hot upstairs in my room. It's like 90 degrees up there. According to my Emerson, my radio back upstairs. I'm a W100 as my alarm clock. I'm temporarily sleeping down here. I don't know when AC is going to replace, but I'm going to show you the new AC for sure. Yeah. Definitely talking about AC videos. This is like great AC enthusiasts. I feel like for AC enthusiasts that leaks are not good. Like, I don't know where the leak is on the outside side, but it's not a good thing. But anyways, that's it.